All right, everybody. So we haven't really been here on social media too much. We've been super busy getting stuff done for all of our customers. But before this one gets packed up in the morning, I figured I'd show you a little bit about what we had going on here. This is another one of our awesome customers. They have a 91 Bronco, and we worked on just about every part. The only thing we didn't work on for him is his seats. He had those done locally because he had to ship these parts in. His headliner, and his dashboard, but he chose for everything else to get worked on. We went through, we did all the plastic repairs, plastic weld front and rear, proper professional repairs were done. He wanted his inserts reupholstered with teal diamond stitching. This is a black Italian leather that he chose. We made brand new armrests. The color, we custom matched it and custom mixed it right here in the shop. This is not going to do what rattle cans do. It's not going to chip, peel, crack, or wipe off with cleaners and chemicals over time. We went ahead and blended texture into all of our repairs on the surface to make them as undetectable as possible. His rear Bronco panels, this was pretty neat. So he said he was unsure what he wanted to do with the rear panels in the future. Originally, there was a hole here with a cover that he did not have anymore, where a speaker went and an ashtray that was all beat up, some gross beat up chrome thing that he didn't care to have anymore on both panels. And he just wanted something kind of to cover those holes up, something that's customizable if he chooses to put something there in the future, but looks clean today. So a very simple, quick, and cost-friendly solution is we made brand new panels. We made a template for these and made a test one just to show the customer based on the ideas that we came up with together with him, and this is what he ended up liking and chose, and they are wrapped in a regular vinyl. So these came out pretty neat. They just pop right off. He can either leave them and have a pretty subtle, clean look forever, or if he decides he does want to do something different in the back, he can easily do so and add speakers to these. You can take them off and put his original stuff back on there, whatever he wants to do. Also on the doors, we went ahead and polished up his trim here. We made these armrests from scratch. There's new speaker cloth in here. This brushing is also brand new. Everything got the works, just like always. Here's the back, new padding as well. I'll show you guys the door bottoms here. These are the door bottoms that go on the doors below the main panels, and we removed the old carpet and cleaned all of that up. Again, our custom match and custom mix color down here. We went ahead and did this as well. New carpeting. We've got our little speaker cloth there for our vent, so that looks nice and clean. New carpet always looks really good. The old stuff, it just makes quick work to rip it off, and this moldable carpet for automotive use we get from some of our upholstery suppliers is very cost-friendly. We've seen some folks that just like to color the carpet as well. A lot of DIY folks. We always just like to replace it. I think in supply costs, it's like $10 total for a pair of doors. So we always do that. We have a center console here for him that we touched up some cuts on and did that as well and recolored it. He has all kinds of parts. Shop is kind of messy right now, but we have to clean this all up tomorrow. His other doors over there. We have some panels here that are his. These are his that are done. That's his. All this stuff is his. There's more in the storage room as well. But this is all going to get crated up and shipped back off to Texas to our awesome customer, and we hope he's happy with everything. Oh, and we have this here. There was a light here. We made a panel for that as well, vinyl wrapped, per the customer's request. There's that door panel again. If you guys want professional work done to any interior for any year, make, model vehicle, definitely give us a shout at obsinteriors.com or cardesigns.co. We use some of the nicest supplies in the industry, Italian leathers. We do plastic repair, premium coloring with coloring that will not come off, and you get what you pay for. definitely check us out. And I'm going to get to cleaning up this mess everywhere.